Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making honey garlic pork chops. Alright guys, I'm starting out on my skillet. I have it preheating. I'm going to start by adding a little bit of olive oil. Probably about 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, get that down in there. Alright guys, now over here I have some center cut boneless pork chops that I season on both sides with salt and pepper. And I'm sitting here. Dexter! Dexter! I'm recording a video, buddy. Yes. Dexter's happy because I'm not cooking chicken. Alright, I'm going to turn my heat up just a little bit. Now I'm going to get my pork chops in here, guys, and I'm going to get them nice and golden brown on each side. About 4 or 5 minutes per side. We're not cooking them totally through, we're just browning them up at this point. So after I get them all browned up, I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, while my pork chops are browned up, I'm going to make a honey glaze sauce to put on them when they're done frying here. In a little dish here I have about 4 tablespoons of warm water. I'm going to add in about 4 tablespoons of honey, and I'm just eyeballing this, guys. Okay, that's looking about good there. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and I'm also going to add in a half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to give that a stir and just let that sit aside for now. And it's okay that I'm using these tongs that I touched the raw meat with, because the sauce is going to cook in with the pork chops when they're done browning. Alright guys, I have my pork chops all browned up and I had to do them in 2 batches, so I'm just going to move these ones here aside for a minute. Now if you use fresh garlic, use about 3 cloves diced up. I'm using the jarred stuff and there's about 2.5 to 3 tablespoons left in here. I'm going to dump it all right in the pan here, and I turn my heat down, guys. Get in here and get that out of there. And you want to make sure you get all your garlic in there, guys, because that's flavor. Alright, that's looking good. I'm going to stir my garlic around here just for a minute. Actually a few seconds, but... Alright, now I'm going to take my honey sauce that we made. I'm going to dump that down in there. Make sure I get all the honey out the bottom that's settled down in there. I'm going to stir that around a bit, guys. Okay, now I'm going to nestle my chops down in here. You go ahead and get the rest of my chops over here, guys. Alright, this juice I'll just dump in there because that's flavor. Now guys, I'm going to allow my chops to simmer in this sauce for a few minutes until the sauce thickens up. The chops finish cooking all the way through. They're pretty much there, but a little bit of the way they have to go. And I'll rotate my chops around so all of them get in some of that good honey sauce. Alright guys, you can see my sauce thickened up nice in there, and I glazed the pork chops in it. These are ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also went ahead and I made some broccoli and fried potatoes to go with this. Let me get in here and cut into this, guys. See that nice honey glazed sauce on there. Pork chops are cooked through. They're nice and moist. Yes, Dexter. They're nice and tender, well seasoned. You get the flavor of the pork chop from browning. You pick up on the honey and then a little bit of acidity from the vinegar. Then you get garlic. Those are really good, guys, and they weren't that hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Honey garlic pork chops. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.